2026 is the first year of the 15th five-year plan. The outline calls for implementing AI+, accelerating new quality productive forces, and boosting consumption. On March 20th, Shanghai hosted the 2026 China Consumer Annual Festival and Forbes China Awards, where experts explored how cutting-edge tech is reshaping the consumer industry, adding fresh momentum to China's high-quality growth. In a complex market, industrial upgrading is key. Guided by the 15th five-year plan, frontier technologies like bio-manufacturing and AI are integrating into big health and modern agriculture. One biomedical company noted the big health sector is full of opportunities, with consumption poised for explosive growth. The combination of synthetic biology and anti-aging consumer products aligns well with national priorities, new quality productive forces, and the silver economy. We are very optimistic about its application in the anti-aging market. In the past, effective raw materials were too expensive to scale. Now synthetic biology makes it possible. In addition to biomanufacturing, technologies such as artificial intelligence are also revolutionizing traditional agriculture. In a plant factory, LED lighting replaces the sun, so the spectrum light intensity and the lighting duration can all be precisely controlled. In such a setup, with AI managing the plant factory, your yield, quality, and cost can all be accurately controlled. Compared to traditional agriculture, the output value per unit area in a plant factory can easily reach 50 to 100 times that of conventional farming. This is truly a revolutionary change. The efficiency revolution brought about by artificial intelligence is not only taking place in agriculture and biopharmaceuticals, it is also transforming every link in the consumer industry supply chain as the last centimeter, connecting brands and consumers. The food and drug packaging industry has likewise felt the pulse of innovation. I believe AI will bring significant changes to all aspects of our enterprise, from design and innovation to operations management. Adopting and embracing AI will unlock tremendous change and great development potential in business management, product design, innovation networks, and beyond. At this conference, a number of industrial funds and supply chain innovation ecosystem projects were also launched, promoting deeper integration of capital, technology, and industry.